Scott, let's go to you and POWL, a strong day for this stock yesterday. And it's hanging in there in that buy zone again today. But
It's
is it extended?
well, I actually bought a little bit this morning, not as much
All
as I
right.
wanted. It's super hard to buy. It trades like $1.50 spread. It is $100 plus stock, but super thin. Like I tried to buy X amount and got 58 shares. It's like really 58 shares. So now I'm trying to buy, 42 because I hate 58. It's just the strangest thing. It was really hard to buy yesterday. It was very thin, and I guess you just put a market order in, right? Just like what Bill would say. But I'm always trying to get somewhere in between a little bit because of the bid ask spread. If I put a market order in there and it goes down $1, I'm going to be down like $3 instantly. The reason I want to highlight it, I figured you guys probably talked about it yesterday, is it just shows you just have to maintain a watch list. I think David Ryan mentioned that yesterday. I watched a little bit of the show as much as I could. Mike says it all the time. And this has been on my list forever because I had a little bit of a run in it when it gapped up and ran. And so I was watching it, and then not yesterday, but the day before, it looked very viable as far as just like a probing starting position. So yeah, I bought it that day, and then the next day it starts to go. It makes it a little easier to add to it. When it's up 6, 7, 8 points, you're like,
Right.
oh gosh, I missed it already. But if you have a little bit, then I don't know. For me, psychologically, it's so much easier just to go buy more if I'm already have a position in it. So right, and then like this morning, it was stock was like 183 by 187. Like they just dropped the bid, just try to shake the people out, and that's where I went in there like 183 and a half or something to try to buy some.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, I got 58 shares. So keep that in mind. The liquidity works both ways. It's great
Yeah.
on the way up when it's up 20, but if for whatever reason you want out, it's going to be a lot harder to get out. So keep that in mind from a position size standpoint. But the earnings and sales across the bottom are just so compelling to me that I just have to, I'd rather be wrong on it than watch it go up and miss it. So
Mm.
that's why I think I just take the trade, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.